Morning everyone!
Morning.
Put my glasses on this morning. So, I have been awarded, did you know, the title of most comedic Disney YouTuber.
I'm not surprised, yes.
It was a grand award ceremony. Why wasn't you there?
Maybe I was out earning the money so you could become famous.
So thank you, Rachel. It means more to me than an Oscar. You're cheeky, you are. So then, let's start off as we mean to carry on. So, knock knock.
Who's there?
Voodoo.
Voodoo who?
Who do you think you are asking all these questions?
Right. What did the goat do when it got stepped on?
Yelped.
He let out a little whine.
And the feel of this video is going to go. So join us the other side of the intro. Hit it, Mickey. You ready for this? Comic Relief. It all started back on the 8th of February 1988. So if you think I think Live Aid was first, wasn't it? I think it was just before Live Aid, and then I think all the comedians decided they wanted to do something to help raise money for charity.
Yeah.
And Lenny Henry, he went to Ethiopia and celebrated the very first Red Nose Day telethon in Ethiopia. And 150 celebrities and comedians participated, gave their time to raise funds, and the event raised £15 million and attracted 30 million viewers on BBC One television.
Yeah, phenomenal.
Absolutely phenomenal. Now then, in America, it started in 2015 and it is celebrated on the last Thursday of every May. It's Red Nose Day over there. So that's Red Nose Day, and here it's happening on Friday the 15th of March. Now, Phil went shopping.
For a good cause.
He went shopping. And what did you say to me?
Please don't shout.
Because?
It's for a good cause.
And I bought it because I thought you could.
Yeah.
Do a giveaway.
Do a giveaway, yeah.
But okay. I've just done 2 giveaways, so it's a great idea because it's for charity. And what happens with the merchandise is there's a percentage of everything that you buy that actually goes to the charity. So what he's bought, he's already donated. So how much have you donated so far? Right,
what we've donated so far is, I've got the calculations, the total costing of the items was £67.55. And we've donated at least £32.90 to Red Nose Day. Yeah, so of that money he spent, that much goes to Red Nose Day. So he's already done that. And obviously on Red Nose Day itself, we'll have the TV on. There's some fantastic comedy acts, which I love. There's also some terribly disturbing, moving, emotional clips. And that's when we all donate. So that's the reason we donate.
Yeah. So that's what we'll be doing as well. So this is just some fun items. Now, he said to do it as a giveaway, but I've just done 2 back-to-back giveaways. And while this is a fabulous idea, I didn't want to do another giveaway because otherwise it's just giveaway after giveaway, and I didn't want to do that because we have lots of other things going on. But because it's for charity, I thought, what a fabulous idea. So what we're going to do, it is a giveaway, but it's not a giveaway as such. We don't want anything off you. Nothing at all.
No, nothing.
If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can enter. If you want to subscribe, great, fabulous. But if you're not and you don't want to, that is absolutely fine. This is about a bit of fun for Red Nose Day, and if it makes it a bit more aware to everybody, and if they get an extra donation off someone that's watching this, fantastic. So that's all we want to do, is have a bit of fun, don't we? Yeah,
comic relief, it says it all. And Lenny Henry, when Karen mentioned it was first established in 1988, Lenny Henry at the time was one of our most loved household comedians. If you don't know who he was, you probably wouldn't unless you was of that generation. But yeah, he's a really great ambassador for the UK. He does a lot of charity work. Yeah. He was married to Dawn French, and he was on Tis Was. Did Did you watch this was?
All them years ago, yeah.
Yeah, I must have watched it in my head because obviously I wasn't born back in the 80s.
No.
So anyway, we're not doing this properly, are we?
No, we're not.
Let's open one, come on. Knife.
Don't need a knife.
Alright, what are you? You got a fella? How did you do that? Okay, disappear. So, should we do a joke? Do you want a joke? Is this even better than Lilo? Is it? Is this better than Lilo?
I think so, yeah.
Who are you? You look like Benny Hill with a hat on.
Is it made me look slimmer?
No, it's not on your belly.
Oh, right, okay.
And you know, face recognition isn't working on my phone now. I wonder why. Oh, look, I'm sounding very different. Right, okay, so, a joke for you. I've got my wonderful daughter to send me some jokes and Phil some jokes, because we don't know jokes, do we?
No.
Okay. So, did you hear about the restaurant on the moon?
I haven't heard about the restaurant on the moon.
Great food, no atmosphere. Okay, another one. How does a penguin build its house?
I don't know. How does a penguin build his house?
He glues it together. Have you got any jokes?
I have got a couple of jokes. Again, complimentary of the daughter.
Yeah, go on then.
Right. Let me...
He's logging in as well. Our phones log out.
What do you call a man with a rubber toe?
I don't know.
Roberto! She gave you the better jokes, didn't she?
Yeah, she's my daughter.
Okay.
She's my daughter.
What do you call an elephant that doesn't matter?
I don't know. What do you call an elephant that doesn't matter?
An irrelevant.
That's not very good. That was done.
She said dad the bad jokes, hasn't she? Yeah.
My nose is coming off. I do sound like I've got a cold. Right then, so shall we show you what you can win and what you have to do it? Very little. Right. So, first of all, we're wearing these t-shirts. As you can see, we've got them over another t-shirt. So it's actually this t-shirt. The labels are on. We just put them on to film this. So that's mine.
I have the same type of t-shirt, but of course, it's just in a different colour.
Yeah, they're both extra large. So if you're very petite and you win this, you got a new nightie. Kind of sound really weird, don't I? And if, I just want to blow my nose because it's crimping my nose. And if you're bigger than extra large, cut it in half and you got a jacket.
Fantastic idea.
I've been thinking about that. I've been thinking about that.
Okay.
So, shall we show everything else? So then, Phil, we first of all, we've got the red nose bag. We have. So, we've got our noses. We're keeping these though. These are ours.
Yeah.
Bertie and Bessie. Okay. Do you know what someone told me today?
Come on in, Bessie.
Yummy said to me, do you know who you sound like, Karen?
With a nose on?
No, without my nose on. Apparently, I sound like Hyacinth Bouquet out of Keeping Up Appearances.
Okay, let's take a vote. Does Karen keep her nose on?
No, I'm not keeping it on forever. I'll keep it on for this, but not forever. Right, I'm having trouble breathing though. Right, so then, what have we got to go in this bag? So what did you buy on your shopping trip?
4 mystery boxes.
Oh, yeah, because we like a mystery, don't we? So, there's all different sorts of noses. Will it focus? So, we got those noses. And we've got those noses. And it's a mystery, so we don't know what. So, you've got 4 of these. Blue sealed, not round our noses. In you go. Okay, next.
For the big kids.
Oh, it's got a light up red nose day thing. Okay.
I have to pull the tag to work it, so I don't want to. I've been craving to do it, but I told I'm not allowed to. There we go.
You've got a lot. What else you got?
Okay. For those smelly times, a car air freshener.
It's focusing on your nose.
I think the
an air freshener. There you go. We've got an air freshener. Okay, next.
For the big kids at heart,
an activity book. And can we colour in? Oh, it's puzzles and colouring. And yeah, okay. Next.
We have 2 wristbands.
2 wristbands. Okay, in.
We have a keychain. There we go. Pass it to the expert.
Yeah, pass it
who
to,
just nearly knocked my nose off.
Pass it to the boss. There you go. If I put it in front of your nose, would that be better? There you go. The keychain.
Can I come back?
You can come back for 2 seconds. Next. Oh, we got lanyard. Oh gosh. Well, it did keep in the spirit of the channel, I suppose.
I've got to go again.
You've got to go. You've got to go. I've got to get rid of you. Does it want to show? It is a lanyard. It doesn't want to show.
I want to fall off the chair.
That's all right. I'll push you. We've got lanyard. Yeah, next.
Okay.
Oh, we've got a headband. We've got ears.
Bopper.
We've got ears. Next. A drinks container with Mickey Mouse on. Red Nose Day.
There we go.
Next. Oh, for on the lanyard, you have got some pins. Shall we do that? If we do it side by side.
There we go. Oh, right, I've got to... Okay,
Yeah.
I've only watched this being done. Oh, I'm in focus already.
Yeah, because you've got a big head. Look, there you go. There's me. Yeah.
Oh, you've pushed me out of the way now.
You show yours.
So there we go.
So they got you lanyard. Yeah, next. Do that last. Do these. What you got? A tea towel so you can wash up.
Have I got it the right way?
Yeah.
There we go.
Eeyore. You sound like Eeyore.
One of our favourites.
Eeyore.
I don't.
You do. Say again.
I don't.
He does. Come on, we've got to get him organised. Organised. Next. There's only so long I can keep his nose on poor Phil. Next.
There you go. Plan your next trip.
A book. Is he playing? No book for comic. It's no book for comic relief. Yeah, plain notebook. There. Yeah, next. And the last item is a jester.
I'm still here.
He looks a lot better, doesn't he?
Here's the jester.
And the 2 t-shirts we're wearing as well.
Okay, do you want to take it off now?
No, and we really don't want
I've got
you
one
to take
underneath.
No, we really don't want you to take it off now. So, that's what you can win.
I have been swimming.
I know you did swimming. And you
Okay.
had a shower, but never mind. So that's what you can win. So, how to win. So, if you want to subscribe to the channel, fine. If you don't, it doesn't matter. All we want you to do, because it's comic for relief, is we want you to tell us a joke.
A funny joke.
But again, keep it clean, keep it clean.
Better than our jokes.
Better than our jokes. So, in the comments down below, just put a joke. Tell us any joke. But make sure it's clean. Make sure it's not often you hear me ask for clean jokes, is it?
No, it's not. No. It's not often I hear you sound so funny either.
I feel like Malcolm off the Vicks advert.
I sound normal. That means
Yeah.
your nose must be bigger than
No,
mine.
it means you're used to a big nose and I'm not.
Okay, alright. Okay.
So, tell us a joke. We've been telling you jokes. Tell us a joke. And then we want whoever wins this to have it in time. Trying to breathe through to the same time.
Now you breathe through your mouth and talk.
I can't talk, can't breathe.
If you breathe, it'll come flying off at you know.
Oh gosh, can you imagine? At the camera.
Okay.
So, we want whoever gets this package to have it in time for Friday the 15th of March so that you can have it and have a party in your house. Push this back on before it comes off completely. So, we are going to pick a winner. You're going to pick a winner.
Am I?
You're picking a winner. It was your idea.
Okay.
On Tuesday, 12, 13, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, Tuesday the 12th. We've already out fingers there. Tuesday the 12th of March, you are going to choose the funniest joke.
Okay.
And then what we'll do on this video, I'll update down below and let everyone know who's won, and I'll get in contact with them and send this package to you. So if you're in the UK, you will have it in time for Friday. Yes. And if you're in America, you'll have loads of time because you have it for May.
Yeah.
And if you're in South Africa, I don't know when you have yours, it might be linked with ours, so I'm so sorry I can't get it there in time. And the same for China or Japan,
Australia as well.
Australia,
We're not too sure.
Yeah, so some it might be later, but for everyone in the UK, we'll get it there in time for Friday. So yeah, so that's just our little fun giveaway. And if at the end of the day we just raise a bit of awareness and maybe get one more donation for them,
yeah,
that's fab.
Yeah.
But thanks everyone.
Yeah, that's...
All the dogs are growling.
Yeah. That's all, folks.
So that's all, folks. I don't have any more ideas. Don't go shopping again.
I got that more money now. You have it all.
I do.
But this was for good cause.
It was good cause. I don't buy this.
Yeah.
I don't buy this. So we'll see you soon. Thanks so much. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and clean jokes. So let's finish off on a joke. I've got one more joke. Right, so my joke, and it's still not recognising me on face recognition. So, last joke. Why don't skeletons ever go trick-or-treating?
I don't know. Why don't skeletons ever go trick-or-treating?
Because they have nobody to go with. Bum bum! Do you want to tell one, or shall we leave it on that?
That's it. I've run out of jokes.
See you all soon. Thanks everybody. Take care. Be good, be kind, and good luck to everybody. And I can't wait to have a laugh.
Good luck.
Take care. Bye.